All right, hi Tegan. Hope you're doing okay. I'm gonna try one more time on these, and maybe do some more examples, and hopefully that clears it up. If not, maybe we can try meet or something like that. But okay, so domain. I'm not sure if you were unsure of 7, 6, and 7, but domain again is the x numbers, and so on our x-axis, if you look at some points, right? If we took this point right here, that would be x1 and y just a little bit, like maybe 0.2. If we take this point here, that's about x2 and y1, and then this point here would be, say, x3 and y2. Okay, and if I keep going, this point right here would be x4 and y. If I trace it back here is about 4 also. Okay, so the point being that the x's, if you look here, they just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger as we go to the right. And since this graph goes forever to the right and forever to the left, x can really be any number, right? We can imagine it goes to 5 and 6 and 7, etc., etc. All right, so our domain is just all real numbers because x can really be anything. All right, and then as far as the range is our y-axis. And so if you look, this red graph doesn't go down here into the negatives, right? It actually starts at 0 on the y-axis. And if we look at our y values, I'll use a different color here, they go up, right? So here they are, they're going up, 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 and they're all positive, right? We never go down in the negatives. So in that case, we say y has to be greater than or equal to 0 because we start at 0 and then get bigger from there. All right, so to try and clarify a little bit, here's another graph, and maybe pause it and see if you can do the domain and range, and then unpause and kind of check your work. All right, so domain, the same as the previous one. I'm just going to abbreviate it here, all real numbers, because it goes forever out this way and forever out this way. So the x-axis can be anything, be any negative number or any positive number. Okay, as far as the y goes, the y looks like the lowest it ever gets is -5. Right, here's our y-axis, and then from there we go up like -4, -3, -2, -1, etc. Right, if you think about the points on the line, right, kind of trace them across, they start at -5 and then get bigger. So we say the range is y greater than or equal to -5. So hopefully that second example helps. If not, let me know. Okay, so 8, I'm not sure if you could give me more feedback about what we're not sure on this one. It's a formula, and again, the pi is a number, like 3.14, and then we got the volume and the radius, and just, I don't know, just make sure you type it in and then round to the nearest whole number. All right, so the volume is 4/3 times pi, and then you do the radius, which is 10.5, and then cube that. All right, so just plug in for radius, and then PEMDAS we would do the cube first. So I'm going to load up my calculator here and do it with you. Okay, and so Tegan, my guess is that the issue is with how you enter it. So the best route is actually to enter it all at once like this with the fraction in parentheses. That hopefully will get you this answer. And if that doesn't work, you can do it step by step. I'm not sure what kind of calculator you're working on. So you can type like, sorry, I can't type on my calculator for some reason. Okay, so I think I got it working now. So 10, man, 10. Sorry, Tegan, I do not know why I can't get my calculator to type here, but at any rate, I'm guessing it's how you're typing it, and try not to round each step along the way. At least do a couple decimal places, and then hopefully you get close to the answer. So I apologize. I do not know why this is freaking out for me. Okay, Tegan, I'm sorry. I'm struggling. I'm gonna have to make a video for the other one. I do not know what's going on, but I'll try to make a video here for 9 quick.